today I'm sharing this inflatable gymnastics mat. First I just wanted to show you how it arrived. It came packed in this box and inside everything was folded and protected nicely, which made it super easy to take out and set up. Inside the box you get a inflatable mat, the electric pump, the carrying bag, and the accessories that come with it. I really like that everything can be stored together when you are not using it.
So it comes with 4 different adapters. I chose the one that best fits. And now I'm just going to line it up in here and twist it clockwise, make sure it's secure, and then I'm just going to flip the switch and it's going to inflate. And it inflates super quickly. So I just closed the valve and it's all blown up. It feels super nice and firm. So now I'm going to be testing it out. So this mat is nice because you could keep it indoor and outdoor. Now that it's summer, I'm planning on using it outdoor, but since in the winter, I could store this in my basement. And also you can use this for like gymnastics chair, practicing flips, or doing your jumps for chair, which I'm about to show you guys.